and will be brought to you by Riti Academy of Visual Arts, Shillong. Please help me welcome Riti Academy of Visual Arts, Shillong.
Hey guys, leave the rehearsals. Just look at all the buzz happening on social media.
What's all this, bro? New battle, new competition coming up?
All the noise is for the importance of voting. Imagine.
As if voting would make a difference.
Yeah. Guys, let's not behave like this. We are the youth of the nation. Democracy and the right to vote are two powerful tools. What we choose today leads our nation tomorrow. Remember.
Guys, don't get carried away. Have you forgotten coronavirus? Are we going to stand in long queues and endanger our life just for democracy? Hello? No people, no democracy.
God bless you.
Has taken all over the world, which is called coronavirus, also known as COVID-19.
Wash your hands. Social distance is your chance. Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Follow protocols, please. Don't touch your nose, mouth and eyes. Use an alcohol sanitizer, that is wise.
Laugh your hearts out. But are you aware? All this has already been taken care of.
Really? What do you mean?
Have you heard about the NVSP?
No, what is it?
The National Voter Service Portal.
What? Is it a magical way to enroll without actually being there?
Yes, you are absolutely right. The NVSP has features for it helps you search your name in the electoral list. You can apply online in English or Hindi language for new registration. You can view the polling booth, assembly, constituency and parliamentary constituency. Contact details of booth level officer, electoral registration officer and other election officer is available. You can feed your Aadhaar card or election photo identity card EPIC data, audio video short films and a short educational film on electronic voting machine EVM is also available to guide everyone, especially the new voters.
We are a democratic government. We have the right to vote. We have freedom to choose our leaders. We shouldn't be exploited or manipulated. Be wise, educated and informed. Take decisions seeking the benefit of the nation. Despite of any caste, creed or religion. No voters should be left behind. 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 No voters should be left behind.
Mm-hmm.